Welcome to my new tutorial. Here I will model this simple part for beginners. Okay, start a new sketch, start a new part file, and then start a sketch on the top plane. Draw a circle on the origin, dimension 264 millimeters. Do another circle, smaller one. This one will dimension 46 millimeters diameter. 46 millimeters. That's perfect. Now we switch to a corner rectangle. Draw one rectangle. You can place it anywhere. We'll constrain it after. Now pick this midpoint here and the origin. Measure the 2 points. Now dimension the length of the one side here is 26. Going to try. The other side will be 6 millimeters. That's good. Now this part is fully dimensioned. Now do one circle of 22 millimeters. Do another circle, 22 millimeters. 32 millimeters. Now draw a line that connects both these circles. Make sure this line is tangent to both the circles. Just double check the tangency. It's applied. Now select this line and make it horizontal. It will put the circles in the same line. The line controls the circles, not another line. Must be tangent to both the circles again. Just double check the tangency there, tangency, yes. Both tangent. Now the distance between the two circles, 68 millimeters. Our drawing is fully defined. Now you got a lot of sketch contours, so we're going to pick each contour when we're extruding. Pick the extrude tool. Start with the big circle, that big area there. Do a mid-plane extrusion of 36 millimeters. That's that. Confirm. We got our first part. Now select the sketch, make it visible. Now select the sketch, pick the extrude tool. Now we pick a new area to extrude. Now this is supposed to be 20 from the bottom. Now from the bottom to the plane, it's 18. So which means you should push your sketch up by 2 millimeters more. It's going to be an offset of 20 in total. Now the extrusion is blind and it's going to be 8 millimeters thickness. That's our second part. Now for our last part, again, select the sketch, pick the extrude tool, and this is the last contour. Now this one, you need to make sure it starts from the bottom surface, and it must go in the downward direction, and it must go down by 10. Blind 10 extrusion. That's right. Now activate the second direction and make this one 12 for a total of 22 as given in the drawing. Yes, beautiful. And there's our part. Lovely. Hide our sketch there. Finished. Now, please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.